May 30th, 2024. Let's review Euro for today's trading. What happened? I said yesterday, major 200-day moving average is the major support right here. And this is trend line too. This trend line also is a major support. We got, only almost last two major support below. And we got lots of resistance up there. 20-day, 5-day, 10-day. And look at 5-minute chart here. So for the 5-minute chart, why did it bounce? From technical standpoint, let's ignore the news first. From the technical standpoint, look at 5-minute here. The 50 moving average didn't cross 200 yesterday, but finally have a retracement. 50 moving average cross above 200. That's the secret for the market to move up. And also it hit the major support at 1.078 and 200-day moving average. Isn't it beautiful? So for those who went long near around this area, should be able to pick up, I would say 30 pips. Yeah, at least 30 pips, 25 to 30 pips, profit. And however, this is it's a bear trap now for the bears. This is a bear trap. A lot of short, position. I bet a lot of short squeeze here at this area. Now it took us all the way to 1.0845. Remember, every time we see a pattern like this, now we have a downward channel pattern since yesterday's, right? Once break, then there will be a new pattern. This time is uptrend. The pattern is uptrend all the way. So look for a pattern. When you see a pattern, that's the time. Either reverse the trend or have a new trend. It does happen every day, so you can look for it. Okay, let's see for tomorrow. Support resistance. Let's look at support resistance here for tomorrow. Okay, let's take a smaller time frame for 50 minutes. Okay, 50 minutes is temporary bullish. Now it's close above 200 moving average, and the 50 cross above it too. 50 moving average cross above 200 moving average. So this should be bullish, okay? As long as it stays above 200. As long as it stays above 200, it's bullish. If it comes back down below 200, yes, bearish. So now look for 60 minutes. See, it will follow. It will go above 200 moving average on the 60 minute to confirm. Support resistance for tomorrow. Okay, we're looking at daily chart. Now this is a major support for sure. The bottom trend line, the top trend line is major resistance. Now it's forming, looks like a falling wedge, right? It's a downward falling wedge. Most likely tomorrow it will hit this upper resistance trend line. Let's see, it will hold or break. I don't know. If it hit here, it breaks, then keeps on going. Otherwise, it will roll down. It will be still trading within the falling wedge. I don't think this falling wedge will last long. We should have a new pattern again. Either the pattern will be like this, uptrend, or downtrend. Okay? So we will see which way it goes. And look at 5 minutes. 5 minutes still bullish, so let it go, let it hit higher. And yeah, not much, to say. Look at the dollar index. Look at the dollar index. It's still, we have a major support on this trend line. Usually this trend line will be broken. So for now, is the dollar index also trading rising wedge. So looks like it will test one more time. Test this trend line one more time, the bottom support trend line. If it breaks down, definitely we will have a new trend, new pattern. If it goes up, it breaks above again, we have a new pattern. So we don't know. And don't forget, tomorrow we have PCE data. Fridays is also important. Yeah, so again, for now we have 5 day and 10 days moving average resistance. Let's see, they will hold. As long as for the 60 minute, as long as below 200 moving average, it should be kind of neutral, because right now the 15 minutes is above 200. So look at 60 and 15 minutes. Now it's trapped between the ranges here, the 50 minute and 60 minutes. I would say now is a neutral. But for 15 minute, as long as it stays above 200 moving average, it's slightly bullish. Okay, don't be so bearish. So the support resistance, right? So always buy low, sell high. Let's see, this trend line resistance will hold. But again, let's see, the top of this trend line is 1.085. So which is above, so which is this magenta line on 60 minutes. So be careful once, trading above the 200 moving average on 60-minute time frame. This definitely is a bullish, okay? And probably we'll have a breakout. As long as below 200 moving average on 60 minutes, it should be okay for bears. Okay, not much to say. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.